Welcome all to House Lux Estate, the hub for all things enchanting and entertaining. Today we're taking a captivating journey into the world of magic, where illusion meets reality and the impossible becomes possible. We'll be unraveling the top 10 things you need to know before stepping into the spellbinding realm of magicians. From mastering the basics to developing a signature trick, we'll cover it all. Are you ready to embark on a magical journey? Then let's dive right into our countdown. Kicking off our countdown at number 10, we have mastering the basics. Now, you might be tempted to jump straight into that jaw-dropping, crowd-pleasing grand illusion, but hold your magical horses. Before you can pull rabbits out of hats, you need to understand the fundamental techniques that make magic, well, magical. Think of it like learning to walk before you run. Mastering basic tricks such as the coin vanish, the French drop, or the classic card trick provides you with the foundation you need to build upon. These simple tricks teach you the art of sleight of hand, misdirection, and most importantly, how to engage and captivate your audience. Don't underestimate these humble beginnings. Every trick, no matter how small, is a stepping stone leading you to greater heights. So, practice, practice, and then practice some more. And remember, even the greatest magicians started from the basics. Coming in at number 9, understanding magic history. Now you might wonder, why dig into the past when the wand is in your hand, ready to create the future? Well, the answer is simple. Magic, like any other art form, has been shaped by centuries of evolution. Every trick you see, every illusion you marvel at, is a product of countless magicians who've added their own little twist to the tale. Understanding the history of magic helps you trace this evolution, giving you a deeper appreciation of the craft. It unearths the roots of each trick, the stories behind them, and the magicians who made them famous. The past is a treasure trove of inspiration, waiting to be explored. It can spark new ideas, nurture creativity, and even help you avoid the pitfalls that others have stumbled into. So, delve into the past to shape your magical future. At number 8, we have building a unique persona. Now, your persona is not just who you are on stage, it's an extension of your artistry. A character that you create to captivate and intrigue your audience. This persona should be as unique as your fingerprint, setting you apart from every other magician out there. Think about legendary magicians like Houdini, Copperfield, or even modern-day illusionists like Criss Angel. They all have distinct personas that are instantly recognizable. Your persona should reflect your style of magic. If you're into grand illusions, perhaps a mysterious and enigmatic persona would suit you. Or if you prefer close-up magic, a friendly and approachable persona might be more fitting. This persona becomes your brand, your signature. It's what people will remember about you long after the curtains have closed. So build it carefully, thoughtfully, and authentically. Your persona is your magical identity. Make it memorable. Coming in at number 7, practicing constantly. Now, there's an old saying that practice makes perfect, and nowhere is this truer than in the world of magic. The most mesmerizing tricks you've seen magicians pull off, they're the result of countless hours, days, weeks, even years of relentless practice. But practicing magic isn't simply about repeating a trick until you get it right. It's about understanding every single detail and nuance of the trick, from the precise finger movements to the timing of your patter. It's about perfecting your sleight of hand, your misdirection, your showmanship. And remember, practicing also means learning to handle mistakes smoothly. Even the best magicians may slip up during a performance, but their practice allows them to cover up or even turn those mistakes into surprising twists. So don't shy away from the grind, embrace it. For in the world of magic, practice doesn't just make perfect, practice makes magic, practice makes perfect, and in magic, perfection is key. At number 6, we have keeping secrets. A magician's most precious asset, arguably, is the ability to keep a secret. In a craft where the unexpected and the inexplicable are paramount, maintaining the veil of mystery is fundamental. The allure of magic lies in the unknown, in the unexplained, and in the thrill of surprise. A magician's secrets are not just tricks of the trade, they are the pillars that uphold the world of magic. When you reveal a secret, you strip away the mystery, and magic, in its purest form, is all about preserving that mystery. A secret kept is a promise made to your audience, a promise of wonder, of intrigue, and of unexpected delight. It's about creating an experience that transcends the ordinary, that takes us beyond the mundane and into the realm of the extraordinary. In the world of magic, a secret kept is a mystery alive. Halfway through our countdown at number 5, learning from mistakes. Now, this point cannot be overstated. In every art form, and magic is no exception, mistakes are not stumbling blocks, but stepping stones. They are not setbacks, but setups for comebacks. As a budding magician, you're bound to fumble a trick or two. Maybe the coin didn't disappear as smoothly as you'd hoped, or the card didn't quite find its way back to the deck. It's all good. These moments are not failures, but rather opportunities to learn, to improve, and to perfect your craft. Remember, every great magician has had their fair share of mishaps. It's through these hiccups they've learned to fine-tune their skills, to adapt and to innovate. Each mistake is an invitation to grow, to evolve, and to become a better magician. So embrace these moments, learn from them, and use them to fuel your journey towards mastery. Every mistake is a step towards magical greatness. At number 4, investing in quality equipment. You see, in magic, the quality of your equipment matters, almost as much as your skill. It's the difference between a trick that wows and one that falls flat. High-quality equipment isn't just about aesthetics or durability. It's about precision, reliability, and the confidence it gives you on stage. Imagine you're performing a complex illusion. The last thing you want to worry about is whether your equipment is going to fail you. Investing in quality equipment means investing in peace of mind. Moreover, it's also about respect for your craft and your audience. They've come to witness something extraordinary, something that transcends the ordinary. And quality equipment helps deliver that experience. So whether it's a deck of cards, a magic wand, or a levitation device, remember, quality is key. It might cost more up front, but it's an investment that pays dividends in the long run. Quality equipment is an investment in your magical future. Coming in at number 3, networking with other magicians. Now, magic isn't a solo act. It's a community, an ensemble of shared wisdom and experiences. Building relationships with fellow magicians, whether they're seasoned veterans or enthusiastic novices, can be incredibly rewarding. Why, you ask? Well, magic is an art form that's constantly evolving, and there's no better way to stay ahead of the curve than learning from those who are out there, performing and innovating. Each magician has a unique perspective, a different trick up their sleeve, and by networking, you get to tap into that vast pool of knowledge. It's not just about learning new tricks either. Networking can lead to opportunities, collaborations, and even mentorships. It's about being part of a supportive network that can provide guidance, feedback, and camaraderie. So don't shy away from reaching out, attending magic conventions, or joining online forums. In the world of magic, connections can be as valuable as tricks. Just missing the top spot at number 2, developing a signature trick. This is an integral part of your journey as a magician. It's the trick that you'll be known for, the one that sets you apart from the rest. It's your trademark, your brand. But how do you go about developing a signature trick, you ask? Well, it's all about creativity and innovation. You want to take your skills, your knowledge, and your unique personality and weave them into a trick that is uniquely yours. It could be a variation of a classic trick, or it could be something entirely new. The key is to make it something that you love, something that you are passionate about. After all, your signature trick is not just a showcase of your magic skills, it's a reflection of who you are as a magician. It's your magical fingerprint, your own unique contribution to the world of magic. Your signature trick is your magical calling card. Make it count. And finally, at number 1, the most important thing you need to know before becoming a magician: passion and perseverance. Passion is the secret ingredient that brings magic to life. It's the spark that ignites the flame, the driving force that turns an interest into a lifelong endeavor. It's the thing that keeps you up at night, perfecting that sleight of hand or that disappearing act. Without passion, magic is just a trick, a game. With passion, it becomes an art, a calling. But passion alone is not enough. Perseverance is the companion that walks hand in hand with passion. It's the grit that gets you through the tough times, the determination that keeps you going when the crowd is silent or the trick doesn't work. It's the resolve that pushes you to practice until your fingers ache, until the trick is perfect. Without perseverance, passion fades. With perseverance, passion becomes purpose. In magic, as in life, passion and perseverance are the keys to success. That wraps up our countdown of the 10 things you need to know before becoming a magician. From mastering the basics to understanding magic history, building a unique persona, practicing constantly, keeping secrets, learning from mistakes, investing in quality equipment, networking with other magicians, developing a signature trick, And lastly, the importance of passion and perseverance. Each element plays a crucial role in your journey to becoming a magician. Thank you for joining us on this magical journey. Don't forget to subscribe to House Lux Estate for more enchanting content.